Hi, this is shopforleatherman.co.uk. We would like to give you a 5-minute introduction into the Leatherman Wave tool. The Leatherman Wave has been one of our most popular Leatherman tools since we started selling Leatherman in the UK in 1999. If you are considering buying a Leatherman tool within the UK, please visit us, shopforleatherman.co.uk. We also offer a laser etching service to personalise and brand most of the tools we sell. shopforleatherman.co.uk. This is a Leatherman Wave tool, probably on its about 5th or 6th generation now. It's changed quite a bit in the 11 years we've been selling it. Notable changes: safety locking blades on the outside, and on the inside of the tool we now have 2 bit drivers, which adds a lot more flexibility to the tool by way of addition of extra tool bits. Like most Leatherman tools, the Leatherman Wave is a very competent pair of pliers with wire cutters within the jaws. The Leatherman Wave has 2 sets of blades, outer blades and inner blades. The outer blades can be deployed when the tool is closed. The outer blades include a serrated knife blade, good for rope, a saw blade, good for wood and bone, a double-sided file, one fine and one coarse, and a knife blade, fine edge. All of those blades can be deployed when the tool is closed, and all of those blades have a safety locking device to prevent accidents. On the inside of the tool there's 5 other blades. The tool has to be opened to deploy these blades. We have a regular flathead screwdriver. We have a very small removable bit driver which can accommodate small flathead, small Allen keys, small Torx drivers or small crosshead drivers. It comes with a double-ended tool, crosshead and flathead, good for spectacles and such like. A pair of scissors, and over the other side a wider bit driver, double-ended again, crosshead and flat driver, and a tin opener, beer bottle opener. These bits are available from shopforleatherman.co.uk. The accessory card for this tool is about under £20, and it will add more than 40 options to your Leatherman Wave tool. The current Leatherman Wave comes in a very sturdy nylon outer with a leather closing, so it's leather at the back and leather at the front. On either side there's 2 small pocket areas which can be used to accommodate a small mag light or similar. In the back of the pouch, hard to see in the video, but there is a small area here which can be used, it's on the front here, which can be used to put the Leatherman bits if you do buy a bit kit. Obviously the Leatherman Wave comes in a box, should look something like this. All Leatherman tools come with a lifetime warranty, and if you buy it from an approved dealer like shopforleatherman.co.uk, we hope that your Leatherman Wave tool will be with you for many years. Once you've owned and used a Leatherman tool, you'll realise that you just can't be without them. If you are buying a Leatherman tool in the UK, please consider shopforleatherman.co.uk, a BHIP Ltd company, or visit BHIP Ltd.com to see all of our products. Hope you found this quick overview useful. We'll be doing some more over the next few days. just come back to our site, and we hope we can help. Thank you.